Hello guys, welcome back again to Crypto Saint channel. For today's video, I'm going to share you another crypto automated trader bot. But before that, let me remind you that this is not financial advice. Invest what you can afford to lose always, and always do your own research because crypto has a risk. Before anything else, let's get into it. Okay, so to get started here at the Golden Hamster, just click the sign up button or click the link on my description down below. You can enter your details here, username, email, password, and security question. You can either choose any wallets here at the payment wallets. You can choose Bitcoin, Doge, Bitcoin, Ripple, BNB Tether, or your Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and Tron, and Stellar, guys. Okay, make sure to put these numbers correctly, 370-123, and check this I agree with terms and condition and just register, guys. Before we get started, guys, let me remind you that please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about crypto world. Okay, so this is the Golden Hamster, automated DEX trading. Automate your DEX trading with AI-powered hamster, the most powerful, profitable, automated trading AI bots on decentralized exchange. Okay, they have a total valid block 6,320 and total traders right now is 82 and total profit spades is almost 400 or 326, guys. They also have trading plans right here for investor of any level. Okay, you can choose your plans here. Okay, and you can also see the profit dailies, deposit term, minimum deposit, maximum deposit, deposit return, and also you can cancel anytime after 7 days using this plan. And you have a payout option right here. If you want to join, just click the register button right here, guys. Okay, and then sign up for your account. Okay, guys, simple as that. So Discover Automated Trading Golden Hamster is cutting edge platform for automated trading and decentralized assets management. Our mission is to empower cryptocurrency enthusiasts by providing a secure and profitable trading experience, specifically focusing trading with crypto tokens including various meme coins. Also, meme coins is included, not just only the main coins, guys. So years of experience in trading on the decentralized exchange, developing sophisticated trading bots, various trading plans with flexible guaranteed profit rates. Okay, so we have outstanding features right here. 8 power bots, 8 trading bots can analyze vast amounts of market data in real time. Attractive trading plans, they incorporate risk management strategies, clear entry and exit points, and ongoing monitoring to adapt to exchange market condition. Guaranteed profit, the short answer is yes. Our investment plan offer guaranteed profit after each plan term, depending on the option you choose. As also, we have a flexible duration. You can close plan and withdraw deposit anytime you feel you might need to release your funds back. And also instant payouts, no need to wait for processing the payouts. All withdrawals are processed instantly, guys. So how it works, no? So just a few simple steps to start. Register using my link on the description down below. Activate plan and then earn daily. And also withdraw your request payment anytime you need it. They also have a frequently asked question right here and a referral program. So join a referral program and earn commission by recommending us to others. When someone signs up and makes deposit using your referral link, you'll receive 10% commission of their deposit as a reward. You can earn commission even if you haven't made a deposit yourself. Share the benefits of automated trading on Golden Hamster and start earning today, guys. So they also have tracking here. So last 10 deposit, okay, and last 10 withdrawals right here, okay. So this is their current partners right now and media partners. Also, you can see there on their website, guys. Okay, so I think that's all about this Golden Hamster. If you want to use this, always do your own research because crypto has a risk. But I think this project all in all is good for the traders that has a issue on feeling when trading. So bot has no feeling, guys. So automation crypto trading is good for those people, guys. Okay, so this is Hussein. Again, this is our channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. And that's all, I think. And bye-bye.